Alrighty, today's lesson is going to be about roof systems, but in particular we're going to do an extruded roof, which is how you construct skillion roofs, for example. You can do a few more different things than just a skillion roof, but skillion roof would be the one that comes up most of the time. So here we go. The first thing I'm going to do is, instead of being on the ground floor, I'm going to go for one of the elevations. Now in this case here, if that's the north and that's the west, and that's the east, I'm going to select the west wing. So we come around there like that, and we're going to put the roof in up here. So this time it's a little bit different. We're going to come down, we're going to go roof by extrusion. This comes up and it asks you to pick a plane. So we're going to pick a plane, go OK, and we're going to select that wall. You can offset this. We're not going to do that right now. You can play around with that later. You'll understand what that means, obviously. So it's got level 1 up there. That's what we're after, and we're going to go OK. So now you notice that all the roof command comes back up. We're just going to use the line command, and what I can do is something like this. So I'm just going to draw a single line like that. Alright, so I'll hit escape, and you'll notice that there's only one single line there. I haven't got a second one, it's not closed in, it's just one line. So then I can go tick, and you'll notice that I've got this happening. So if I hit escape there, that's actually my roof. If we go into 3D, you can see that there's my skillion roof. Can you adjust it? Absolutely. You can click on it and drag these out further, just like that. I know that you're probably looking at this now going, hang on, those walls don't go up to it, but if you select the wall, you can attach top to base, like that. Oops. Let me try that again. And there we go. So you notice that that now has a wall that goes up to that ceiling. And of course you can do the same with this. You can click on that, attach top to base, click on the roof, and it closes that up as well. That saves making extra walls on walls, which never works, and at the end of the day that ends up being a nice consistent brick wall. Alright, so now we have a skillion roof there. You can measure that, putting it up when you put your initial design in as well. Notice how even though with one single line it's come up with some thickness on top of it. Alright, so let's just go back. I'm going to click on that and we'll delete that roof. So we're back to this one. Let's just have a look at something a little bit different. So I'm going to go west again. You notice I've got that wall again. I'm going to go roof extrusion. It asks me to pick the wall. I'm going to pick that wall again. There it is there. I'm going to go OK. This command comes up. Now I'm going to use the line again, but if you have a look, what this means that you can do is some rather complicated kind of shapes. And as long as you don't turn it back on itself, just hit escape, you should be right. And you can see that I've got a 3D roof there that is rather different to the normal roof. You can put curves in here, so if you had something like the Hall of Fame in Longreach, you can actually draw that curve kind of a roof. Alright, so that's how you extrude a roof. You can add a carport onto the side of a house the same way, just a matter of a little bit of playing around. And if you remember, to get that wall to go up to your roof, just click on it. This all comes up, attach top base, click on what you want it to go to, and there you go. We're done. Alright, have fun with that, and I'll see you with the next tutorial.